In today's video, I'm going to show you Shopify AI versus Wix AI. Which one should you choose? Wix AI is designed to create entire websites from scratch using AI. It uses a conversational setup to generate layouts, text, and design automatically, then lets you customize everything visually. Its AI tools focus on content creation, blogs, product descriptions, SEO text, and design flexibility, making it ideal for quickly launching a complete website without technical skills. Shopify AI, Shopify Magic plus Sidekick takes a different approach. Instead of building full websites from scratch, it focuses on optimizing and managing online stores. It can generate product descriptions, automate workflows, analyze store performance, and even assist with business decisions. Its AI is deeply tied to e-commerce operations like sales, inventory, and customer behavior. The biggest difference is in purpose. Wix AI is about creation and ease. It helps you build a site quickly with strong design control. Shopify AI is about automation and growth. It helps you run and scale an online store more efficiently. Even recent updates show Shopify pushing into AI-powered store generation, but its strength still lies in commerce tools rather than design flexibility. In terms of flexibility, Wix offers more creative control with drag-and-drop editing and thousands of templates, while Shopify relies more on structured themes but offers stronger integrations and automation through its ecosystem. Overall, Wix AI is better for building websites quickly with strong design freedom, while Shopify AI is better for running and scaling a serious e-commerce business with smarter automation. That's all about it. Thank you for watching.